Chocolate. Who likes chocolate? Alright, so we got chocolate over here. I like the way that you're raising your hand, young lady. What is one flavor that you like? Vanilla. Who likes vanilla cake? Oh, awesome. So we have chocolate over here, vanilla over here. What else? I like the way that you're raising your hand. What flavor do you like? Strawberry. So we got a chocolate, strawberry, vanilla cake. Awesome. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to light some candles. Okay, first of all, we have to blow out the candles. So we're going to take a big belly breath in, grab onto a cloud of air, breathe in. And then you're going to bring your bottom all the way to the ground, and we're going to blow out some of the candles and go. Nice, let's stand up. Now we're going to breathe in again. We got some more candles over here. Breathe in. And bring your body down halfway. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And blow out the candle. Awesome. Now, there's one more candle really, really high up. What do you think we should do to blow it out? I like the way you're raising your hand. What do you think? Jump. Everybody, who here thinks better? We showed how you jump before. Let me see everybody bring your bottom down. Grab onto a big cloud there. Bring your bottom all the way down. And then jump. Nice. Everybody grab some ice cream.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.